that one clear the pivot. Far left. I'm gonna go to the far right, but hang on, it's behind the pivot. I don't even know that much. Yours is what? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Can't see. Here's another one coming around.
You got him. This one I've been missing with.
There's one behind
the pivot. I got him.
Yeah, it finally stopped. Where's that dog?
Still moving. Ain't moving now.
Shoot the pivot tire, because I can't even see the pivot. I can't even see the pivot.
I had to wait for him to come. I'm shooting to the left of it.
That was Coach up there. They just ran off a minute ago. There's 2 of them.
Another jam.
I heard you just...
It didn't take me long to unjam it.
Good job. That's 3.
We got 3.
Yep.
The dog's gonna sure.
Oh yeah, they're out.